What is the neuroscience behind codependency? Imagine your brain as a busy city with different neighborhoods working together to keep everything running smoothly. When it comes to codependency, certain parts of the brain get involved in ways that can keep unhealthy relationship patterns going. Let's explore how this happens inside your brain. The brain's reward system is like a traffic light that signals pleasure and motivation. It mainly involves dopamine, a chemical messenger that makes you feel good when you do something rewarding. In addiction, drugs cause a flood of dopamine, which rewires the brain to seek that high again and again. In codependency, the reward system gets linked to caregiving and control behaviors. When someone cares for an addicted loved one, their brain might releases dopamine, making them feel rewarded for helping, even if it's unhealthy. The attachment system is another key player. This system helps us form bonds with others. When someone is in a close relationship affected by addiction, their brain's attachment circuits can become overly sensitive. This means they might feel anxious or stressed when separated from the loved one or when they see signs of trouble. Their brain starts to associate caregiving with emotional relief, reinforcing the cycle of enabling behaviors. Stress responses also play a big role. The hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, or HPA axis, controls how our body reacts to stress. When someone is in a stressful relationship with an addicted person, this system can become dysregulated. That means their stress levels stay high, making them more reactive and anxious. This heightened stress can push them to keep caregiving or enabling, hoping to reduce their own discomfort. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to change over time. When someone is in a codependent relationship, their brain can rewire itself around these caregiving and stress responses. This makes these behaviors more automatic and harder to break. Just like addiction changes the brain's circuits to favor drug use, codependency reshapes circuits related to attachment and stress. Understanding these brain changes shows us why codependency isn't just about willpower. It's rooted in how our brain's reward, attachment, and stress systems adapt to relationship dynamics. Support networks and family help are vital because they can provide the emotional stability needed to rewire these circuits. Therapy methods like cognitive behavioral therapy can help retrain the brain to develop healthier responses and boundaries. So, the neuroscience behind codependency reveals that these patterns are deeply wired into how our brain processes reward, attachment, and stress. Recognizing this helps us see why recovery involves more than just changing behavior. It's about rewiring the brain for healthier relationships and emotional well-being.